Welcome to Anushram. Anushram is gateway to research paradigm. How to select area of interest and title in research.
Hello Kavya.
Hello all of you.
Hey guys, have any of you started thinking about your research projects for the semester?
Not yet. I'm still trying to figure out what I'm interested in.
Same here. It's hard to come up with a topic that's both interesting and feasible.
I know what you mean. But I came across this website called anushram.com that offers a unique platform for research skills. They have a step-by-step guide on how to finalize your research area and title.
Really? That sounds interesting. Can you tell us more about it?
Sure. The first step is to identify your research interests. What topics do you find fascinating or have a strong desire to learn more about? That makes sense. Once you have a topic in mind, what's the next step? You need to conduct background research to determine the availability of data and the current state of knowledge in that area. This will help you to refine your ideas and identify gaps in the existing research.
Okay, so what's the third step?
You need to formulate a research question that is both interesting and feasible. Your research question should be clear, focused, and well-defined. It should also be original and make a significant contribution to the field.
That's a crucial step. So, what's next?
The fourth step is to write a research proposal that outlines the key aspects of your research project, including the research question, methodology, and timeline. It should also include a title that accurately reflects the scope and focus of your research. And then, you can refine your title to accurately reflect the content of your research. Your title should be concise, informative, and appealing to readers. It should also be consistent with the content and scope of your research project.
That's helpful. But how do we know if we're on the right track?
Seek feedback from your supervisor or other academic mentors. They can provide you with valuable insights and suggestions to help you refine your title and research question.
And then we revise and finalize our title, right?
Exactly. Based on feedback and suggestions, revise and finalize your title. Make sure that it accurately reflects the content and scope of your research project and is interesting and appealing to readers. This website sounds really useful. We should check it out.
Definitely. It could be the key to finding our research topics.
Let's give it a try. Who knows, we might come up with some groundbreaking research.
And anushram.com could be just what we need to make that happen. It's always good to have a guide when it comes to research projects.
That's true. I have always struggled with choosing a topic and getting started.
Me too. But with these steps in mind, it seems like it could be a lot easier than I thought.
Exactly. And what's great about anushram.com is that it's designed specifically for students. They understand the challenges we face when it comes to research projects.
That's a relief. It can be overwhelming when you are starting out and don't know where to turn.
And it's not like we have a lot of spare time to devote to research projects.
True, but with the right guidance, we can make the most of the time we do have.
And who knows, we might even discover something new and exciting that we are passionate about.
That's the goal. And with the help of anushram.com, we might just be able to achieve it.
I'm definitely going to check it out as soon as I get home.
Me too. Thanks for telling us about it, Priya.
No problem. I'm just excited to see what we can achieve with the right tools and guidance.
And with the right topic and title, we might just be on our way to becoming experts in our field.
Here is to a successful research project. For more such informative videos and how to use Anushram, please visit our website www.anushram.com.